To fix the problem where YouTube automatically translates titles, first of all, as you can see right here, I have a channel opened. It's a Polish channel, but everything here, most of the things here actually is in English for some reason. And we can stop that by simply adding a extension to our browser. This extension should be supported by most of the browsers. So what you need to do is find the YouTube no translation extension on Chrome Web Store. So just type it in Google, and then it should be a first link. This is the one that we want to add to our browser. So now when it's added, you can manage it right here with original titles enabled, audio tracks enabled, original descriptions enabled, and you can always also do it with subtitles. If we go back to the channel, now if we reload it, as you can see, everything is in Polish, not in English. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.